this is Chikawa, and I'm here to demo my real-time drawing app. What I mean by real-time is that I created a server using Node.js, and that server is used as a WebSocket to transfer data between the two processing sketches that are considered clients. Right here, and this is number 2. So I'm just going to run my Node.js, index.js. See that it started a server on port A899. We're running this on localhost. So now I'm going to launch these two processing sketches over here, and you'll see that is the opening page. So I'm going to press start for both. You see that there are 3 tools on the screen, and then there are 9 colors you can choose from to draw your application. So we have the pen tool, and we have the rectangle tool, and we have the ellipse tool. So it's initialized the rectangle right now. So as soon as you can click ellipse, you can see what tools you're using. So let's try and draw an ellipse. Okay, so you see that on the server you receive this data, and it was drawn to the second application. Meaning, as soon as you draw the ellipse here, a request is sent to the Node server using this value right here, which means E, which means ellipse, and then this is X value, the Y value, and then the RGB values. Now that line is taken in by the processing sketch number 2 and drawn on the screen. So let's try to change some colors. So let's take some blues and let's draw one. You see that now ellipse is drawn with X and Y values with different RGB values, which is 51, 255, and 204, which is different from 204, 168, 246, which was RGB values to use to draw the first ellipses. So let's try to show some tools. The colors kept, sure, so the same as rectangles. Even if you draw on this side, it will apply to the other side, of course. So now that you see that argument changed from E to R, meaning that you actually drew on rectangle instead of ellipse. That's very simple. But what gets complicated is the line tool when it comes to pen, because you have to take in many points to draw a continuous line on your processing sketch. So what I've done is, as soon as you click and start drawing a line, it takes all the X values and Y values used to draw this line. As soon as you release your mouse, it passes the accumulated X and Y positions and then passes to the server. So as you saw, that there's a massive array right now that was actually just passed on and drawn to the next page. When we pass this array, the last 3 values is still used as RGB values, so it still keeps track of the stroke color you're using. So you can change the color, and it would do the exact same thing. Right. So now you have a couple of functions you could do. You can press F and save this drawing to a JPEG file, which goes into your sketch folder, or you can clear everything. But let's clarify that when you click C, it clears only your drawing. It doesn't actually clear the other person's drawing. But it does clear everything that is shared between them. So the other player can still save the drawing they had, but it wouldn't be, if they were to draw again, you wouldn't. There's nothing more saved from the shared string. That is about it. Thank you for watching, and this was pretty successful, and it was great that I got to learn how to use Node servers and how to parse strings between 2 sketches. Thank you.